Okay, here I have this piece of crap flashlight. Well, I guess it's called a WeatherX FR1807 AM FM radio. It's got a WeatherBand on it also. It's not even a month old yet. My grandmother got it from some publisher's clearinghouse offer for $20-something, and I think that's a complete waste of money. This top part where the batteries go is not even staying down anymore. And I noticed it's got these little black tabs in here that's supposed to push out and catch on the edge of this top part here. And I noticed it goes down far enough past that bridge right here, so all you need to do is get something to push these tabs out to catch that. And I thought, well, maybe I can get a longer screw right here, drill a hole in the side of that, and push all the way through there. That might not work out after a while. It might start cracking something or whatever, and the screw might strip out after a while. So I got to thinking and looking around. My co-workers are always leaving toothpicks laying around. So I got a toothpick and thought, if I put that right in there, that'll push those tabs out enough to where that might work. And originally I put that in here, and it was contacting the positive part of that battery. So I had to do a little notch in the toothpick right there, as you can see. Let me put my phone down so I can put it in there. Okay, and now for toothpick breaks, I can just get another one of those real quick. And I noticed, I guess from the manufacturing process, there's a little bit of a circular indentation right there, so the toothpick fits in there pretty damn good.